A toaster oven is a versatile kitchen appliance for baking, toasting, and reheating. Compact and efficient, it's a valuable culinary tool. So I will discuss top 5 best toaster oven in this market. Let's go. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Toaster Oven. This compact kitchen essential offers convenient countertop cooking. With 4 slice capacity, it's suitable for various meals. Pros: space-saving design with easy access roll-top door. Versatile for baking, toasting, and reheating. Accommodates 4 slices. Cons: limited cooking capacity compared to larger ovens. May require adjustments for precise cooking times. Number 4. Breville Mini Smart Toaster Oven. This compact kitchen appliance combines versatility and intelligence. It's equipped with smart cooking features and fits easily on countertops. Despite its size, it offers efficient cooking capabilities. Pros: smart cooking functions for precise results. Compact size suitable for smaller kitchens. Energy efficient. Cons: limited capacity for larger meals. Relatively higher price point. Number 3. Panasonic Toaster Oven. A reliable kitchen companion, the Panasonic toaster oven offers efficient toasting, baking, and broiling. It features precise temperature control and a compact design, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Pros: precise temperature control for accurate cooking. Compact and space-saving design. Durable build quality. Cons: limited capacity for larger meals. Number 2. KitchenAid Digital Oven. This advanced kitchen appliance boasts a digital interface for precise cooking. With convection technology, it ensures even baking and roasting. Its sleek design complements modern kitchens. Pros: digital interface for accurate cooking control. Convection technology for even cooking. Stylish and modern design. Cons: potentially higher price point compared to basic ovens. Limited capacity for larger meals. Number 1. Breville Smart Oven Pro. A top-tier countertop oven, the Breville Smart Oven Pro combines intelligence with versatility. With advanced cooking features, it accommodates various culinary needs. Its sleek stainless steel design adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen. Pros: intelligent cooking functions for precise results. Spacious interior with multiple cooking options. Sleek and durable stainless steel construction. Cons: premium price point compared to standard ovens. May occupy more counter space.